Special adjectives. We've learned a little bit about adjectives. And we've learned that they could also be found in the subject right before an adjective. And we've learned that they could be a predicate adjective after a linking verb. Today, we're going to talk about special adjectives, specifically the adjectives called articles and adjectives called the proper adjective. Okay? So, please make sure you read and reread your paper. And we are going over this first part. You will do the guided practice and then come back and check your answers. So, articles are a, and the. They are little words, but they help complete the sentence and help give a little bit more detail to our nouns. We are using a and an. Think of these two as cousins, or maybe even sisters, okay? They are used with singular nouns. Both of them are used with singular nouns. But the difference is a is used with the consonant sound and is used with the vowel sounds. Look at our examples. A plant, a hat. A plant, a hat. P is a consonant sound. H is a consonant sound. And they are both singular nouns. So you would use a. An animal. An honor. A is a vowel. And honor doesn't have that in there. It's just honor. So you're actually hearing the O sound. So you would use an. So a is used with consonants and singular nouns. An is used with vowels and H words. Even though it is a consonant, you're only hearing the vowel sound. The is our other article. It's again used with singular nouns, but it's for a particular person, place, or thing. And also the is used with all plural nouns. So the only article used with plural nouns is the. But it's also used for singular nouns, but it has to be a particular person, place, or thing, a specific. A proper adjective is our other special adjectives we're talking about today. A proper adjective is formed from a proper noun. So, proper adjectives then are always capitalized. Think a lot of times of your countries. So you have America, which is a proper noun, but when we put it before a noun and we say American citizen, it becomes a proper adjective. Spain would be a proper noun. It's a place. But when we put it before a noun, it becomes a proper adjective, Spanish language. Now, you were introduced yesterday to some diagramming of these special adjectives. As always, when diagramming a sentence, you have your straight line across. Our sentence that we're going to diagram is, the African girl smiled. You also will always have a line that goes up and down. First, find your subject, your simple subject. And over here it tells you, you put your simple subject on the left hand side. So what is our simple subject in the sentence, the African girl smiled? Girl. So we would put that in the subject part. Now, what did the girl do? What's the verb? When we find the verb, we put it on the right side. The girl smiled. So we put smiled on the right side. Let me go back here and color code this one. Now, the and African are special adjectives. Remember, the is an article and African is a proper adjective. And because they described girl, we would draw lines off, slanted off from the subject, from the word that it's attached to, and write it there. So the is a article, which is a special adjective. We'd write the. African is a proper adjective, and it describes the girl. Go ahead and let's head to your guided practice.
Simple and easy and friendly and breezy are adjectives. Little and tiny and middle and shiny are adjectives. Several and few, older and new are adjectives. Costly and cheap, purple and deep are adjectives. Words that modify nouns and pronouns.
Okay, now we are on our guided practice. For guided practice, for 1 through 4, you're using a or an. Again, reminder, a and an are like sisters or cousins. They're both used for singular nouns. The only difference is a is used with consonants and an is used with vowels and vowel sounding consonants, which is the H sometimes. So, peanut starts with a consonant, so you would use A. Alligator starts with a vowel, so you would use an. Igloo starts with a vowel, so you would use an. And school starts with an S, which is a consonant, so you would use A. 5 through 8, you're choosing the best article to complete each sentence. Remember, a and an and the are all used for singular, but the is also the only one that can be used for plural. And the difference is for the is that it has to be specific. So the saguaro cactus looks like arms reaching into the sky. We're talking about specific cactus. So number 5 would be the. A barrel cactus gets its name from its barrel shape. We're talking about a specific cactus, so it'd be the. A prickly pear cactus has long thorns for protection. So we're talking about a single cactus, and since it has P, you're going to use A. A or an juice made from the aloe plant is a good medicine. Juice starts with the consonant, so you're going to choose A. Now 9 and 10, you're going to underline the proper adjective in each sentence. The Sonoran Desert is the home of the Saragua cactus. Sonoran Desert. The proper adjective you will underline is pretty easy to pick out because it's capitalized. Sonoran describes which desert. My favorite place to eat is a Japanese restaurant. Japanese describes restaurant, and it's a specific kinds and proper. 11 and 12. Mark the letters that should be capitalized by using the proofreading mark 3 lines. The ambassador is Mexican. Remember, a proper adjective takes a proper noun and changes its form, usually adding like an to the end of it. The ambassador is Mexican. Mexican should be capitalized. And Italian should be capitalized because it's coming from Italy. Diplomat greets him at the airport. Now, for 13, you are going to diagram your sentence. So first, the new teacher is Chinese. We have to diagram number 13. They give us our line first, so that's good. We also know we're going to have it, up and down line. Okay? So, the new teacher is Chinese. What is this whole sentence about? What is the subject? Teacher. So teacher would go on the left-hand side. The teacher is. Is our linking verb. So that would go on the right-hand side. Chinese describes the teacher. Remember our predicate adjective? We will actually put Chinese there. Notice our line is slanted back toward teacher. Now we have to diagram all of the adjectives. The and new are also adjectives. So we draw lines off. The and new. We are getting to the point where we're going to be diagramming a lot of sentences. So definitely go over this and review again. If you need help, join me on Zoom. You're going to complete page 240 and you're going to do all of it, okay? Including the imply and write. Okay? Hey, refer back to the video if you need any help.